Hi guys, good morning, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing something that I've never done before in this channel. Now I'm going to be transforming this into this. So any of you that are familiar with the film Anastasia that came out in 1997 by Fox, you will know what I'm doing, but for those of you that have never seen that movie, you'll be like, who is she turning into? I have no idea. So today's video is a collaboration with my Finnish friend Vilma Brownie, and Vilma has a lovely channel. We've got a lot of things in common. We both love Disney, we both love dancing, we both love musicals, baking, bullet journaling, so we hit it up straight away, and her videos are always so nice to watch. So I'll put her channel down below, don't forget to go check it out. And in her video she's also done a transformation into Anastasia, but we have both picked different parts of the movie so that you get to see two different transformations. I just wanted to say very quickly, quick disclaimer, I am not a beauty channel, I am not a beauty guru, I am in no way, shape or form an expert when it comes to makeup. But I'm gonna give this a go, see what it looks like, and just put my makeup the way I would usually. Obviously, to not bore you with the process of putting the makeup on, I'll just time-lapse that and put some pretty music in the background. So let's just get straight into it. These are the brushes that I'm going to be using to put all of my makeup on today, and they are the Real Techniques blue brushes. And they are really good. So soft. So I'm just going to insert a clip here of all the different makeup that I use for this look, so that you know where to find it. And now let's just get started. So that's my makeup pretty much done. Now I need to move on to the hair. Just grab my hairbrush. It's actually one of the best buns that I've ever done. Usually I have like a nest and hairs come out everywhere. So we've got the hair, we've got the makeup, now we should do something to our clothing. So I'm just gonna go down this way. Oh, hello, I present to you Anastasia Romanov. funny. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this transformation. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And if you have any recommendations of any other transformations that you'd like to see me do, please leave them down below. Don't forget to go and check out Vilma's video. She's done a different version of Anastasia to transform into, and I'm really excited to go and watch it. So have a good day, stay weird, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye! Once upon a December